saw athletes are preparing for the race.
这期间他花了也有1年半的时间刻苦训练。
Now we just saw the first batch of the participants. They started really fast. Now I can see they're spreading across the river, and I hope everyone will get to the finish as soon as possible and as safe as possible.
越来越近了。好，他已经顺利拍下了计时板，他的成绩是14分05秒。
In my hometown, we had a competition to cross the river as well, but it's not that popular as here because where I come from, it's a little bit cold there, so there are not so many people participating in this kind of an events and competition.
另外呢，今天水流的速度能够达到0.93米每秒。
Subsurf, stand-up paddling, because you're standing up and then you're paddle. Before participating in this kind of competition, I should train hard, maybe lose 5 or 10 kilograms. After that, I can participate and swim. Yeah, Wuhan is the amazing place to have water sports. There are like a lot of lakes, small rivers, big rivers, and I think like especially in this summer when it's hot, and people need to like get a fresher, so and also get used to sports. It's really nice idea to have a water sports over here.